Everything they've told you about making money on Facebook is completely wrong. You don't need to wait in order to be invited to the content monetization program in order to start earning income. I currently work with hundreds of students on making money on Facebook. Many are making sales with this method that I'm going to show you today, way before getting invited into the content monetization program. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, step by step. So there's no questions on exactly how to do this, and we're going to be doing it with print on demand using Gelato as our print partner. So if you can post on Facebook, you can absolutely do this. Facebook is paying creators right now, and that is really exciting. A lot of us are making a ton of money simply by posting content on the platform, but the truth is a lot of people out here are not eligible yet. That is incredibly frustrating because you're putting in the work, you're posting consistently, but the income just isn't there yet. Instead of waiting, I built my own income stream using print on demand, and this has become one of my favorite revenue streams utilizing Facebook. In this video, we're going to walk through the entire system from creating a design using AI with ChatGPT to uploading it to the Gelato platform, listing the product on Etsy, and then showing you how Gelato is going to print, pack, and ship that product directly to your customer without you ever touching it. And if you're new to print on demand, Gelato is a platform that is a global print on demand company known for high quality printing and worldwide shipping. Their specialty is wall art, posters, canvases, cards, and photo books, and a lot of very skilled artists trust them with printing their artwork on products. So I'm going to go grab the canvas that I made with Gelato over there and show you the quality. So this is a canvas that I designed using ChatGPT, and Gelato printed this for me. And as you can see, it is super high quality, and it has a wooden frame that is very nice, and it already has the way to hang it included. And people are paying hundreds of dollars for these on Etsy. So one of the biggest advantages of print on demand is that you can test ideas and products very, very quickly without holding the inventory. But if you want to, you can order a sample like I did. So now let's go ahead and pop over to my laptop, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So step one is to head over to Etsy and look for inspiration for the product that you want to create. So for example, I typed in landscape wall art, and I'm just going to sort through the popular now and the best sellers and see the price points that things are selling for, get a feel for the vibe or the style that I would like to create. When I found one that I liked, I actually saved the image, uploaded it to ChatGPT, and asked it to write me a prompt for that painting. And so it wrote out a prompt so that you can get the base of the idea, and then you're going to make some tweaks to it so that it doesn't look identical whatsoever to the original. You are staying within the same concept and theme that people are already buying and that's selling really well on Etsy. However, you create something completely unique to you. And so this is what ChatGPT originally came up with, and I didn't really like it that much, so I asked it to make some tweaks, and I kept talking back and forth to ChatGPT to make sure that mine was completely different from the original so that someone wouldn't look at the two images and say, oh, this one is clearly copied from this, right? It looks totally different. So the original just was like a field of weeds with a lot of flowers sticking up. So mine are different types of flowers. There's a path here, and no one would ever know that this was modeled off of the original, aside from the slight similar color scheme. So once I'm happy with that, I simply download that to my desktop. And then in order to make this high resolution, you have to make sure that it is 300 dpi. So I upload the file here and then download it as high resolution so that you get that really crisp print quality with Gelato. Once it's uploaded, you go ahead and select 300 dpi and then continue. It's exporting, and then it's all set to be downloaded. Then you can head over to Gelato. I have this linked directly below in the description, and you click Get Offer, and this allows you to try Gelato for free and get 50% off your first purchase if that purchase is made within the first 2 days of creating your account. So that can apply to if you want to order a sample of your product, or if you sell a product on your Facebook or on Etsy and you want to fulfill that, you're going to pay half of the price of the regular wholesale price. And then once you are are logged into your dashboard, you're going to go ahead and connect an Etsy store. And then it's going to direct you back to Gelato to publish your very first product. You have an entire catalog to choose from, tons of different products. And this one is what we're going to be doing today. It has a huge profit margin and you already saw the quality of it. We're going to do the framed canvas, and this is going to be horizontal. For mine, I did a 12 by 16 in the wood style, and we're going to click add to store. Next, we're going to upload our file here, and you click choose file and upload that from your desktop. I already have mine uploaded here. Click the plus sign to add it to my canvas. Up top here, you will see if it is high resolution with a green check mark. If it isn't, it will be yellow, and you will need to make sure that you went through the step that I showed you in order to create a good DPI. Then you want to make sure that you drag the corners out to the far edges where the dotted line is. And then at the top right, click continue to mockups, and you can see all the different ways that you can display this on your Etsy store. We'll select the ones that we would like to use here, and you can upload your own if you would like, and then continue to details. There are these awesome built-in AI tools to help you craft your listing. So you add your details and then click generate with AI. So it will go ahead and write up your title, your description, and your tags for you, and you can apply that to your listing. Then we will continue to prices. So we can see the product cost is going to be $47 to you plus $9 shipping, and you only pay that once a product has actually sold. And so you can set your profit margin to 50%, 40%, 35%, whatever you would like. So if you want to make $30 on this canvas every time you sell it, you would set your price to $78. Then we'll continue to review and then click publish. You will see right here that it is waiting to be published. Then we pop over to our Etsy shop. We have the dashboard, and then when you click on listings at the top left, you will go over to where it says draft. Click on your draft, and there is your listing right in your Etsy shop. And then you can click this little toggle right here and publish it directly to your store. That is going to cost 20 cents to do the listing. However, you can get your 40 free listings for free. Once it is published, we can see it in our store ready to be purchased. Then when an order comes in, you can see your orders right here under the orders tab and make sure that gets fulfilled. So that's when Gelato will print, pack, and ship directly to your customer. You paid the wholesale price. The customer paid the retail price on Etsy. Etsy is going to pay you your funds, and then you are in profit. And here's why this strategy works so well with Facebook. You can grow an audience by posting relatable content, quotes, memes, anything specific to your niche that is share worthy. Then you slip in some lifestyle content featuring your print on demand items and direct people to your Etsy store in order to purchase it. So while you're waiting for Facebook to approve you for their content monetization program, you're building an income alongside your growth and a brand that is completely yours. And what I have learned over the last 15 years is that your audience is always going to be more likely to buy something that is branded to you rather than even say an affiliate product, right? They want to be a part of you and your brand. And what I really like about using Gelato specifically as a print partner is that the process is extremely straightforward and beginner friendly. It's super easy to set up. As you saw, they have global shipping so you can reach customers all across the world, and it can be completely automated once it's set up, which is the best part. So then you can focus on your content and posting on Facebook instead of managing inventory and logistics. So if you want to try this for yourself, I'm going to link Gelato directly down below in the description. You can try it completely for free, and you can get up to 50% off with your first order. So don't wait for Facebook to pay you. Get in the game, get started today, and start building your very own system right now.